Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung mensahe para sa buwan ng Disyembre para po sa inyong pag-ibig. Okay. We have getting to know each other. Dito, it says here, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So, ito yung pagkakataon na kailangan mong kilalanin pa mas maigi yung person mo. Kasi yun ang makakatulong sa'yo para mas lalong lumalim yung iyong relasyon o yung pagkakakilala sa isa't isa. Tignan natin kung ano yung makukuha natin message sa tarot. We have the Knight of Cups, the Sun, the Ten of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. Wow, Leo. Ganda ng cards mo ngayon ah. And the Two of Wands. Okay, Leo. There is this decision na iniintay mo or dapat mong gawin na pinag-iisipan mo maigi. Now, what to do next. And iniisip mo to. You've been contemplating of what to do. Kung kailangan, ano yung timing. Tatawagan ko na ba? O hindi muna? Ite-text ko na ba? Hindi muna. Pag ganun parang ano ka yung undecisive pa. Hindi ka pa sure. That is why, with the Temperance, kailangan balansehin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo munang ma-make sure na yung gagawin mong decision dito is exactly what you wanted. O kaya mong gawin. Kaya mong i-execute o implement. No? Yung sabihin, buo na yung loob mo. Hindi lang yung pag-iisip mo, but buo yung damdamin mo, yung pag-iisip mo, lahat. Andun yung lakas ng loob mo para gawin yung decision na yun. With the help of the Temperance card, you temper your emotion. Parang inaano mo, kasi kung dito kaya ka siguro nagdadalong isip kasi hindi ka pa handa, kinakabahan ka, o natatakot. Maraming dahilan. Kaya kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo yan, dapat i-temper mo siya, no? Ayusin mo yung damdamin mo na maging balanse para ma-execute mo yung gagawin mong desisyon. At hindi ka na magiging, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi mo hindi mo makita, hindi mo yung confusion ba, yung pakiramdam na hindi mo nakikita o tuliro ka, mawawala. Kasi nga, alam mo na kung paano balansehin yung sarili mo. Okay? Now, yung nakaraan, may nag-offer ng love sa'yo, Leo. There was this person who offered love. It must be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Nag-offer ng love sa'yo and hindi mo naasahan to. You didn't expect this at all coming from this person. Maybe because it just parang hit you out of the blue. Na nag-offer ng love na pinahiwatig niya o pinaalam niya sa'yo yung nararamdaman niya, yung kanyang damdamin towards you. And you know what? Yung naramdaman mo, naging masaya ka, Leo. You were happy. You were happy dito sa tao na to. Yung sa love na pinapakita niya sa'yo. Hindi mo to inaasahan. You didn't expect. You find it to be parang in a way challenging or naging problema pa nga. Kasi bakit ito yung nararamdaman ko sa tao na to? Lalo na kung if you're involved with somebody else and there's this other person proposing or expressing love to you, why are you so happy with this feeling? Yung tinatanong mo na ba't ba saya-saya ako pag siya yung nagsasabi nito sa akin? Iba eh. Iba yung nararamdaman ko sa tao na to. And alam mo yung every time there is this movement or action taken towards me, pakiramdam ko hindi lang once or twice, but there are 2 cards saying happiness. The Sun and the Ten of Cups. Dalawang card na nagsasabing masaya ka talaga. Kung ba nag-overflow yung kaligayahan mo dito sa offer of love na to na binigay sa'yo itong water sign, Leo. Kaya kung ba you have the intention to talk to this person. Gusto mo makapag-usap kayo. You wanted to know or you wanted this person to know what you feel. Gusto mong paalam sa kanya. And of course, para maging, alam mo yung magkaintindihan kayo, magkasundo kayo, magkaintindihan kayo, magkaroon kayo ng magandang harmony sa isa't isa. Okay, so let's clarify. Bakit andito yung Knight of Cups? We have the 9 of Cups, the 3 of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Bottom niya is the Devil. Wow. Okay, yung offer of love niya, di ba puro cups? It's all cups, Leo. So, naging wish fulfillment mo talaga yung offer of love na to. To a point na you wanted to celebrate or know this person more. Gusto mo pa siyang mas makilala. Dahil do sa love na ino-offer niya, binibigay niya sa'yo with the Queen of Cups. Nakita mo kasi na ano siya talaga, very serious sa kanyang love offer. No? Sa love offer na binibigay niya with the Queen of Cups. Kung ba authentic, no? Serious, honest, yung feelings na sinasabi niya towards you. You can feel it exactly na talagang mahal na mahal ka nito. Again, you are dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, Leo. Okay? Talagang, kung ba pag yung hindi mo akalain itong love offer na dumating na to, talagang yung isang bagay na talagang matagal mo nang iniintay o gustong-gustong maranasan. Naranasan mo dito sa tao na to. Though, sabihin natin, with the devil energy, this is something that is not good. No? May nakadikit na negative about this. Now, the Sun. Bakit andito yung Sun? We have the 8 of Cups, the 7 of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. Ang bottom niya is the Hangman. Now, sabi ko, di ba, nagiging problem na kasi you feel happy with this person. You find it a problem or challenging kasi gusto mong umalis. Gusto mong iwan itong tao na to. Iwan because you're not being honest. Okay? Hindi, you feel na merong hindi na nasasabi. Okay? And ang kailangan is yung katotohanan. Ang kailangan is maging honest ka o sabihin mo yung nararamdaman mo talaga para sa tao na to. Hindi yung itatago mo. That's why we have this advice, no? To get to know each other para mas lumalim yung relationship. Ka-clarify ko lang. Bakit andito yung devil? We have the Queen of Wands. There must be a fire sign involved. Queen of Wands is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, that is involved do sa iyo, Leo. Kaya kung gaba parang na equally attracted ka, or maybe you have a relationship with, kaya kung gaba this is something that is not good yung ino-offer sa dito. Maybe you're already involved with someone na fire sign, and then dumating itong isang water sign. Kaya kahit masaya ka dito sa water sign, hindi alam mo yung nagiging problem nga sa'yo kasi hindi mo masabi. But the truth needs to come out. Hindi mo masabi na you're involved with another one. Bakit andito yung Ten of Cups? We have the Temperance, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Swords. So, the Tower. Yung action taken mo nga, every time, sabi ko nga na merong ipapakita ng person na to, yung pagmamahal niya. It has always been difficult for you to balance things with the Temperance card. This is a energy from a Sagittarius, to balance things, and especially if you're already married with the Hierophant, or you're in a relationship maybe with the Sagittarius or with the Taurus, kasi this is card from Taurus. Kung you are already in a relationship, kung gaba parang you're trying to not see the bigger picture, ayaw mong makita, no? You refuse to look at things in reality ba? Kung gaba parang tinatago mo lahat, yung ayaw mo na makita, ayaw mo tanggapin na ito na yung nangyayari, na nahihirapan ka na balansehin yung sarili mo kasi nga alam mo na you're involved, and yet you feel something for this person, something that you are not expecting, which is the Tower. Hindi mo talaga na-expect. Now, bakit andito yung Eight of Wands? We have the World, the Seven of Wands, and the Five of Cups. Bottom niya is the Emperor. Now, yung intention mo to communicate and let the person know is, of course, you wanted na to let the person know that there was an ending of the cycle, yung cycle na yon. Kung meron man with this person that you have before, ando na kayo sa ending, natapos na kayo. And you're very defensive of what you are with your feelings, kasi ayaw mo magkaroon nga ng regrets, no? Ayaw mo na masaktan. Natapos itong relationship, which is very difficult for you, dahil matindi yung pinaglaban mo matindi yung pinaglabanan mo, o kaya yung pinagdaanan mo, yung yung paano mo to pinaglaban. And you don't want to feel sorry na nagkamali ka sa desisyon na yon. You know? Bakit andito yung Three of Pentacles? We have the Queen of Swords, the Emperor, and the Two of Swords. Bottom niya is the Chariot. So, ang advice sa'yo is of course to talk and to make sure that everything is in harmony. Kung ba maayos nyo, ayusin nyo tong relationship na to. That's why communication is there. Sinasabi na mag-usap kayo para maayos nyo yung relationship. And, you know, sabihin mo to be truthful to your person. Tell your person everything. Kung ano yung nangyari. Talagang be confident to face yung person mo, to tell the truth. And, in other words, wag mo na siyang, ano ba yun, yung itago pa, o yung pahirapan mo pa yung sarili mo para hindi makagawa ng, o hindi makapagsabi ng totoo. Kasi, kung gabay, what you need is this energy of the Emperor na talagang malakas ang loob, determined, confident, serious, to tell the truth. No? Na kung ano man yung pinagdaanan, ano yung pinagdaanan mo, maiintindihan ng person mo kung sasabihin mo lang ng lahat ng katotohanan. And of course, opening your feelings towards your person. Alsin mo, stop protecting your heart kasi this is the time to open up, to let your person know exactly kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. And so that you can move forward, with the Chariot. Para mag-move forward kayo. Kasi hindi mangyayari yan kung hindi ka mag-open up. Not, your person won't be able to get to know you more kung hindi ka magsasalita, hindi mo papaalam, hindi kayo magko-communicate. That's why the Eight of Wands is here. Sinasabi niya talaga, kailangan mag-usap kayo. So, ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, Leo? You were the best thing in my life. Finding out the truth crushed me. And so many things remind me of you. Okay. So, di ba? Para sa person mo, Leo, ikaw talaga yung the best. Kahit na sabihin natin na meron kang tinago, hindi ka naging tapat, meron kang hindi sinabi agad, para sa kanya, ikaw pa rin yung the best. Kailangan lang talagang sabihin mo o paalam mo. Mas makikilala ka pa kanya kasi kung ano ka. At ganoon din ikaw sa kanya. Diba? Kung makikita mo na sinabi mo to, in spite of that, naintindihan ka pa rin, minahal ka pa rin, then it really, prove na, mas nakilala ko pa lalo itong tao na to. And the more that I have admired this person. Pero syempre, malaman mo yung katotohanan, what is the truth is that if you're involved with somebody else at the time, syempre, masakit yun. Kasi hindi mo agad sinabi, naglihim ka. Pero sabi nga, so many things remind me of you. Naaalala ka niya. Kung nagkahiwalay man kayo, naaalala ka pa rin niya. And surely, ikaw din ganun sa kanya. Diba? Kaya, if you would ask me, ang advice nga is to have this meeting, to have this discussion, and para gawan mo ng paraan na maging maayos yung relation. And to tell the truth, To tell the truth. Talagang totally open up this time. Okay, Leo? I hope na nakatulong ito sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.